Hey, what's going on? Today's project in this old 92 Dodge W250 is to install a heating pad on the oil pan. I had a problem with this vehicle recently. It's been really cold out, minus 30, minus 35. And my son was on a trip from Ontario to New Brunswick and the fuel gelled up on him and he ended up having a tow truck ride home. So we're just trying to winterize this vehicle a little better so we can deal with the extreme cold temperatures when they happen. So what he's ordered here is a product called Canadian Polar Pad. This particular model number is CP512. I think it was about $100 Canadian, so maybe about 70 bucks US. This is what the pad looks like. Peel and stick. Comes with the plug. Also comes with some zip ties, sandpaper, silicone, and of course installation instructions. I'll jump into the truck and show you where we're going to put it. Alright, here's the shot of the bottom of the oil pan, and I just cut out a template out of cardboard. Was making fun of it a little bit. Picking a spot on the bottom of the pan, a flat spot. First step is to clean the bottom of the oil pan, so I've used wax and grease remover about 7 or 8 times on the bottom of the pan to get all the oil off. And then it says we need to sand it down to bare metal. So I'll go sand that down to bare metal now, and then peel and stick, and then silicone around the edges, and it should be good to go. We're going to route it so the cord comes off the driver's side, find its way to the front, and then meet up with the block heater. And he's got a battery blanket coming as well. So, okay, I've taken sandpaper and taken the bottom of the oil pan where the pad's going to go down to bare metal. Can't say that was fun laying on the creeper here under the truck with not much room to maneuver. But anyway, she's down to bare metal. So we'll clean that spot again several times to make sure there's absolutely no grease or grime in the way, and then it's peel and stick. Different models of these heating pads that this company sells. We've got the 512, which is 250 watts, but the low end it's 125 watts, and the high end is up to 1,000 watts. Okay, after I cleaned up the bare metal, I plugged this thing in for 5 to 10 seconds as it said in the instructions, and then pressed it in place. I just use this little wooden roller I have to roll it around. So I've done that. Then it says to plug it back in for another 5 or 10 seconds to heat it up again, and then do the same thing. And then to place a bead of silicone around the outside edges, and that'll be it. And then of course route the cord wherever you want it to go out the front of the vehicle. Okay, I've got it stuck on. I've plugged it in twice, patted it flat, and then I used the included tube of silicone to put a bead around the outside edge. Now I just want to route the cable, and that'll be it. All done. Thanks for watching.